Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to download and install Android Studio for Windows 10. First, we need to download Java JDK. So open your browser, search for Java JDK, click on the first link, download, accept the license agreement, and download it according to your operating system. Now go to download location and install it. Once the installation is completed, close the program. Go to Program Files, then Java, JDK 13, then bin file, and copy the path from here. Now search for advanced setting. Environment variables. Click on new. Add the path here. Give it a name. And OK. Now double click on this path. New. Also add the path here. Now OK. OK and OK. Now come back to your browser and search for Android Studio. Now click on this link. Then click on Download Android Studio. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Download Android Studio for Windows. Now this is gonna take some serious time, so go grab a cup of coffee and wait. Now again go to the download location and install it. Next, and install. Now select the Don't Import settings and click OK. Now the Android Studio will download SDK component and some other components. Standard. It depends on you which theme you like. I'll go with the light one. Now the total download size is 651 MB. So click finish and the download will be started. Once everything is completed, click on finish. Now start new project. Write your project name here and your package name here, save location and select a language, then finish. Now the Android Studio will download and install some Gradle files, so again wait till it's completed. So now everything is ready. This is the XML part where we will design UI for our applications, and this is the Java part. So this was all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and in next video I'm going to show you how we can set up emulator properly for our Android Studio. Stay tuned. See you all in next video.